Okay, so just concluding the Teichana in Yonim with the paragraph Harotzu. So he identified, again, this is just for the purposes for those, this is not explaining anything now, just refreshing a memory and tying it together. So there's 18 shiurim or something. Whatever you'll get is good. We'll just finish it. So the chiddush of the many chiddushim in the Maimon, including that even though rotzoi, the desire to be one, absolutely is only in darga number 3, but a bemis is carried through in all of the dargas. Because at the end of the day, that is the fundamental nature of Oir, is to be Megalda the Emes. The difference is, though, that the Rotzish Bebeis Madregis are the first dargis in Oir, which is Oir, Meinam Oir, and then the Teva HaRotzoi. So that manifests in Shlai Yichutz Mkeila. It's more a desire not to be one, but not to be distant. And at the end of the day, in brackets, he says, but Pnimius Yoisa, that's more essential. That exists on all levels and all Yidden. But the Madrega Gimel, the Arotzi that's manifested in the 3rd level, Li is called to be one, consciously should not use, which is obviously loftier, not shaykh to everyone, only Yichud is Gula. Now, this is integral to the whole Maimer, and the end of the Maimer, that in the Eir, which is post Tzimtzum, it carries the Eir Lifnei Tzimtzum. That's really what he's saying here. Bittul Lachoshech legambri, so complete bittul of the Choshech is at Gila Ira Kolabam, because post Tzimtzum gives a place for Mitzias. Only Ira Kolabam Moed is the complete bittul. Mashenkin Ira Mispashit Mechutz Tam Moed, but the Eir that manifests, given Shinyone, since its whole agenda is to illuminate, so you're already acknowledging there's something to illuminate. So you're the very Gedra Eir is masking that there's something else. So it can't be a complete bittul if I'm validating your existence. Since this darga of post Tzimtzum, the whole point is to bring the awareness of God to creation. That's its agenda. So there's a creation at the highest dargas. There's Metzias Oilimus. And it can't be complete bittul. So therefore, it goes on to say, if they're Tevis and Malkim, then they can conceal at the end, bigger and smaller. Smaller gets bigger. So therefore, the bittul is only through the Eira Kol B'Moy, but that raises the question, at least test and answer, at least you, is not did a bit of there. What's achieved? Absolutely nothing. The answer is because Mokim Aguli, he gam begitra elam. The gula will be begitra elam. Why? Because Gilu is there. This Gilu of Eira Kol B'Moy, Yor the Gilu gam ba'ir shenyon el hoyres ha'elamus will fuse and be revealed even in the revelation of the knowledge of God as Creator. Therefore, all of the dargas didn't unpack this so completely, but all of the dargas that a person is holding, in all of them, the pnimius lies the complete bittul of cheshech, because they're all connected to the atzmius, Eibishter beyond Creator. No matter what level of the relationship is overtly carried through. I'm saying today, now this morning, is everything I said yesterday, just very dense, nothing new at all. So it's all carried through in even the lowest level of connection. Keitz som Lachoshech. The chiddush of the Maimon is usually it comes at the end. The end would mean that the end they were revealed through our Aveda Eira Kol B'Moed. No, Keitz som Lachoshech, Keitz B'Roshech. That already b'tchilas habriya, this awareness is latent and is there, and this longing therefore for it, and the end result is already factored in the beginning. That the Eibishter beyond Creator should be part of him being created. So the end therefore is a different end. The end, the bit Lachoshech ha'olam, not dissolving the world, but begidrei ha'olam. Now that summarized the whole